Priyanka Gandhi has responded. Priyanka Gandhi questions double standards, says LOP not allowed to quote from a book, while the BJP MP was citing or quoting from 6 books. Let's listen into that reaction.
अब आप बताइए, अगर एलओपी को बोलने नहीं दिया, एलओपी को एक किताब जो प्रकाशित है, जो आज आपके सामने भी दिखाई है उन्होंने कि प्रकाशित किताब है, अमेज़न से खरीदी गई प्रकाशित किताब है, उससे कोट नहीं करने दे रहे। आप नियम कह रहे हो कि ये नियम का उल्लंघन है। तो अब ये महाराज उठे हैं और ये 6 किताबें सामने दिखा रहे हैं, उनमें से कोट कर रहे हैं, आप कुछ नहीं कह रहे हैं। ये सरकार स्पष्ट दिखाना चाहती है कि इस संसद में सिर्फ उनकी चलती है। ये तो स्पीकर साहब का भी निरादर है, ये संसद का निरादर है, ये लोकतंत्र का निरादर है, ये इस देश की जनता का निरादर है। हम यहाँ इसलिए खड़े हैं क्योंकि हमें कीमती वोट दिया है हमारे नागरिकों ने, देशवासियों ने। हम समय व्यर्थ करने के लिए यहाँ नहीं आए हैं। हम यहाँ इसलिए खड़े हैं कि उनकी आवाज उठाएं, और हम उनकी आवाज उठाएंगे। और हमारे एलओपी को जब तक बोलने नहीं दिया जाएगा, तब तक हम इनको भी नहीं बोलने देंगे।
Niyamika is joining us with more details. Priyanka Gandhi making it clear, जब तक हमारे LOP को बोलने नहीं दिया जाएगा, हम इनको नहीं बोलने देंगे. So the logjam will continue. That's the message.
Well, yes, indeed. Since morning, we have seen that how the opposition is aggressively protesting inside as well as outside the house. But this latest incident which has taken place where Nishikant Dubey has also used the quotes from 6 books is what is being claimed by the Congress party is in absolutely is completely against the rules, because the question which the Congress party is raising is that why leader of opposition was being stopped when he was trying to use one quote from a book, as he was being stated it very clearly that this is nothing related to the presidential address, and as per the parliamentary norms, he cannot use any such quote from a book which is not yet being released. On the other side, the Congress party is saying that Nishikant Dubey has also mentioned about a book which within the house, then how can it follow the rules? This is the ruling which was been given by the speaker only, and that is the reason why all of these MPs of the Congress party had also gone to the speaker's office, and they had also made a complaint against Nishikant Dubey. In fact, the sources have also informed that the Congress party has demanded that Nishikant Dubey should also be suspended from the house, because he had also done the same thing for which Rahul Gandhi was being stopped from speaking within Lok Sabha. In fact, Priyanka Gandhi Vatra has also gone on to say that this shows the double standards of this government, because on one side, the leader of opposition is wanted to raise a matter which is related to the nation's interest, which is related to the national security, but he was not being allowed to do so. And till the time Lok Sabha, the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha will be speaking within the house, till the time he was not being given permission, then the Congress party is going to continue with this protest, and no other MP from the BJP side as well will be able to speak. That is the word that are the words which are being used by Priyanka Gandhi Vatra. So clear message is being given by the Congress party that this protest is going to be continued, and they are continuously going to raise the demand that leader of opposition
we are also
should
given to understand that they have moved a complaint and they are seeking some answers from the Lok Sabha speaker. Any update on that? Is there going to be a meeting?
Well, already the Congress party's Lok Sabha MPs had gone to the office of the speaker, and they had made this complaint against Nishikant Dubey, and it is also being told to us by the sources that they have demanded that Nishikant Dubey should be suspended. We have seen that how in the past 2 days it was a leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi who was trying to speak about a book within Lok Sabha, but the ruling was being given by the speaker Om Birla that he cannot use any such kind of a quote from a book which is not yet being released. But the Congress party is
I'm interrupting you because we have some breaking inputs coming in. Do stay on with us. We're given to understand that